Carousels is one of the best content format to educate your audience. Today, I will show you how you can automate carousel content creation. Just add the topics in Google Sheet and AI automation will create a carousel based on it and post it on Instagram and LinkedIn. Now, let's jump into this AI automation. This is a workflow that's going to create the carousels in Instagram and LinkedIn automatically. And as you see here, I have created this workflow using make.com. So if you're new to Make, don't worry guys. Again, I'm just saying it's simple. Go to a description and grab this magic link where you can get 10,000 credits for free. That's pro plan for 1 month. Awesome, right? So let's go in detail to the workflow. So this workflow is divided in 3 areas. So one is the Google Sheet part. Second is the heart of this scenario, or the core part, that's the OpenAI part. And third is it's all about how we are creating the carousel to post to Instagram and LinkedIn that you see over here in 2 branches. All right, so we'll begin with the Google Sheet part, and here it's simple. We can go with different ideas to grab the topic. Here what I've chosen is I have gone with a Google Sheet named carousel post topic, and I have a header topic. So the idea is, say for example, I'm running an AI agency, so I'll create some hundreds of topics from ChatGPT or Grok or Perplexity and drop over here in this Google Sheet. Say like I put life of an AI generalist, AI or automation or similar kind of topics. Or if you are in accounting or some sales or some business side consulting, go for these kind of some topics related to your interest or favorite areas and dump into this Google Sheet. All right, so once that is ready, we'll go and use this module watch new rows. It's simple. So you're going to use the Google Sheet watch new rows, and it will start watching the rows added in Google Sheet. And say for example you're planning to put 1 carousel per day, then you can go with a limit of 1. All right, so that's about the first part. And now let's go to the core part, and the core part is OpenAI. Here we are using the OpenAI module generate a response. It's simple. You can use OpenAI or other modules as well, like of Gemini, etc. And Gemini is of course free to use. So in OpenAI you can see I've used GPT 4.1. Of course you can go to GPT 5 as well. And the best part, you need to be careful about the system message and the user message. So I'm giving some set of instructions as you see here. Say you are an AI carousel slide prompt generator, and the goal is to generate Instagram carousel prompt where text is the hero, 50% focus with light background, 1:1 aspect ratio, clean, Mets font, text must always be readable, visual style, typography rules, and then the JSON format, how we have to output the structure of the slides. So the whole idea is this module is going to output the JSON structure having slide number, title, prompt, and the test content and with using this JSON per slide will create image. So image per JSON, or I would say per slide in the JSON, will create 1 image and will combine them to go to step 3, that's posting to Instagram and LinkedIn. And very important, we have to provide the user as well. So in the user, I'm providing the topic, and I'm just asking to create 5 slides. You can alter it by instructing to go with 3 slides or 10 slides, and I would say 5 is optimum. And then giving some rules like Instagram square, 1:1, light theme. You can make it dark theme as well as per your interest, and do not modify logo if present, keep continuity across slides, etc. All right. So once this is done, just ensure that the output format is also in JSON, and then save it. So that's the second part. So Google Sheet and the OpenAI part is done. So now the part where we are posting to Instagram and LinkedIn. So it's simple. Again, I'm just going to cover it quickly. So in Instagram, so this module, the OpenAI module, is going to generate the output in the form of an array. All right, so let me show you. I'll run up to this stage and showcase you the output. Let me choose one data. All right, I'll choose this topic and let me run, and I'll show you the result. All right, we got the output. So as you see over here, we got the result. slides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here. So we got the result over here with slide number, title, prompt, and the test. See over here. Yeah. All right. So up to 5 slides we got it, right? So it's an array of collection, 5 collections with slide number, title, prompt, and test content. What we will do, we will iterate across it. We are iterating across the slide, and then we create a JSON structure with image, prompt, and the test content. Basically, we are grabbing the prompt that is output from the OpenAI and the test content, and then we'll feed to the free pick. And the best part is free pick is free to use up to limited conditions, say up to $5, and that's why we use this. And I would say that if you even replace OpenAI with Gemini, it's completely free of use. So I'm using here the free pick module where I'm configuring with make an API called the Nano Banana model to generate the image. So here you can see once we request for the image, we have a waiting period of I would say that the best is 20 to 25 second or 50 second, and then we query the image using get image. So you can see here, so we are querying with get request the image after generation. So basically here what is happening is, for each slide from the JSON, from the array output of 5 slides, we are generating 5 different images using free pick. And finally, we combine this, you can see, using array aggregator. And it's simple. The structure of the array aggregator is again inherited from the Instagram module. And now let's go to the Instagram module. It's simple. We can go to the Instagram, and Instagram for Business provides this module, create a carousel post. Awesome, right? So where you go and select your page and then the files. So this is the array. You can see this is the array with media type, image, photo, URL. So what I did, I just replicated this array. I can select that structure over array aggregator, and then I just map the image, the photo URL that comes from the free pick module. So from the free pick module, we get this output, and I'm just mapping over the array aggregator. So simple, we are creating an array of image URL, the images generated from the prompt generated by OpenAI, and then go and post in Instagram. So this is the last part. And again, you can see there is a second branch where we are providing to LinkedIn as well. And the best part is, LinkedIn is not easy. We cannot post in this fashion. They need a PDF. To make it happen, we have used Google Slide. So it's simple, guys. So you can see the slide that I just created. So you can see the slide where I have created 5 slides, the presentation, Google presentation with 5 slides. Basically the best using the background that we prefer with logo. So I've chosen M-Score logo. And I've used this module, create a new presentation from a template. I'm duplicating that presentation from the template and then looping across these slides, the slides that I've shown over here, right? And then we are feeding the content over here. You can see what I have done is I'm just uploading the image to the presentation. So this is a module, upload image to the presentation. We have the images from free pick, right? So these images we are uploading one by one to these slides, or superimposing the images to the slide. And finally, we upload it and download as PDF. You can see over here. So we convert the Google Slide format to PDF, and then here is a magic. So we are using special LinkedIn modules. You can see here, these LinkedIn modules are coming with some I would say suffix v1.1, which is created by us, M-Square. So you can see there are 2 modules that we have specially developed. So if you go and search LinkedIn v1.1, you can see one is to upload a document, and then second is to create a document. So create a document and upload a document. So using this module, we just go and upload the document. So a upload or PDF file is created in LinkedIn repository, and then finally go and create a document post. So you can just pass the document ID from the previous module, and it's finally created. So it's time to run the magic, guys. A lot of talking. Now let's get in real action. So I'm just going to go and run this. So let me go and select a topic. I'll just go with life of an AI generalist, and let's see the magic. Let me run once, and it will take a few minutes. So it has chosen the output. You can see over here, life of an AI generalist. Now the OpenAI is running. So I'm just excited. Let's see the result, right? Okay, all right, so we got 5 slides as output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now the free pick has started action, creating the images for those, slide. I mean the prompt generated, the JSON structure generated by the OpenAI. So it's creating images one by one, and obviously there is a wait of 20 second or 25 second per generation. So let's wait for that. All right, so it has just generated 5 slide images from free pick, and it started posting to Instagram. Fingers crossed on the result. Yeah, let's see. It's taking a bit time, because we are submitting this as a carousel, right? All right, so it's posted. So we get here the ID, and now you can see it started running on the presentation side. Duplicated the presentation and superimposed the images, and it goes to LinkedIn now, uploading the PDF, creating the post in LinkedIn. All right, so let's go to the Instagram. So this is a test Instagram I'm using to showcase this demo. So see here, life of an AI generalist, not just code, endless curiosity, building worlds, master of many trades, from machine learning to design. An AI generalist thrives by blending diverse skills, juggling multiple projects, the power to create. Awesome, right? And this is all about theme. You can create different themes, or you can modify as per the prompt, and the magic will happen. And let's go and see the LinkedIn as well. So okay, this is the LinkedIn. The same the same images are over here as well. Awesome. So I think this is cool, guys. This is a simple and quick one just to showcase the power of AI automation creating carousel. So you can modify, come over here, and you can put any theme that you like, the design, or adjust the presentations, or prompt, and make it to the best level as per your company needs. With this automation, you can create as many carousels as you want. Subscribe for more AI automation related videos.